channel. Today I'm going to be making brownies. And these ingredients don't look like they accurate at all. Like, what the heck is this? 3 tablespoons of water. I did that and look how much it is. Either I don't know how to measure or this ain't right. But either way, we just about to mess something up real quick. Alright, so I'm not trying to mess something up. So we about to go buy these ingredients for sure. Okay, brown mixed water oil. Three tablespoons of water. I'm about to add that, but it's not gonna do anything. So, okay, it did nothing. Then it says 1.5 cups of oil. Why is like a lot of oil? Like what the world? Oh, I'm tripping. It says half a cup. I'm about to mess some drinks up for sure. So we just about to pour some of this back into the thing. That's not really a half a cup, so we just go pour some more. Lord bless this, because I don't even know. Whatever, we about to roll with it. If I mess this up, we about to see. It don't matter. Alright, so I'm gonna add my eggs. This one already cracked it. Alright, so alright, we just about to mix it. And you know, this is not mixed. Like, what? I really don't even know what the heck this is supposed to look like, because I feel like this is my first time actually cooking dang brownies. I don't even know if this is supposed to look like this. And I feel like I need to add more water, but I'm gonna just do whatever the heck the directions say, because I ain't trying to be responsible for nothing. I'm like, it's kind of thick. I ain't about to fool with it. I'm just about to leave it be. Alright, so it says just blend till it's well blended. And I feel like that is this. So I'm about to put it in the pan. And we just got this glass pan. Just spray it with some butter or something. There ain't even nothing in here. Hopefully this won't mess it up. Ain't nothing coming out. I'm gonna just spray it with this butter right here. No, it's supposed to be coming out like this. Alright, whatever. I'm about to just spread it. I'll turn on the oven. And it said put it on 350, but look, we trying to get this over with. I'm ready to eat these. Hopefully they're good. I love me some brownies. I should have put it on 425. Really see how this chunks start cooking. But alright, there it is. And now I'm just gonna wait until the oven is ready. Alright, so the oven is ready, so I'm just about to put them in there. I'm gonna go to and it says do it for like 22 minutes, I want to say. 22 to 25. So what should I do? Hey Google, set an alarm for 23 minutes.
There, your alarm's set for today at 10:13 p.m.
So now we wait, I guess. So I guess we're just about to wait. So I'll to you guys with maybe 10-15 minutes when we can check on it. And y'all, I'm gonna do my hair sometime. It's just not gonna be today. Look a mess, but I'm fine with that. I'm okay with that. But anyway, just see you in a bit. Alright, I was about to be 10, so I'm about to check it. And I didn't even realize that I messed my shit up. Always looking dingy on camera, but this is the brown sugar. I mean the brownie mix, so I don't think I'm just dirty. But alright, I'm gonna check it. A little watery still. I'm gonna put it back in there. But it's smelling good, so I feel like I did something right. But we about to see how it tastes. I ain't even trying to see how it smells. But alright, see you guys in a few. Alright, y'all, so it's almost 10:13, which was the timer that I set. Okay, I'm looking for a dang toothpick. We have to use a fork. Anyways, it's almost time, so we about to see if it's done or not. We used to have, oh, here they go. Alright, so now I'm just waiting for the timer. It say 10:13. I don't know if you have to see that over there, but it say 10:13. Why is it not going off? Anyways, right here and get it. Alright, so y'all see it? I already took it out now, thank you. Anyways, y'all see that? Alright, so we just about to poke a type in there just to see if it comes out clean. If not, then it's not done. Nope, it's not done. So I'm about to put it back in there. But it's looking good. I'm excited. I'll probably leave it in there for about 5 more minutes. But I don't know. The directions didn't say if it came out still wet or whatever. So leave it in there another 10 to 15 minutes or what. So I'm just gonna keep on checking it because I don't want to burn it now. We're not trying to burn that thing. But yeah, I guess see you guys then. Alright, you guys, so I can't lie, I did already take it out and check it, but we can do it again for camera, or for the camera. But alright, yeah, it's done enough. And I tried, so this is the first one, and this is the second, and this is the third. So I feel like it's done. So I'm just gonna let it cool. And then we're gonna take. But yeah, it's smelling good. I'm ready.
Smells like brownies. Brownies for my brownies.
Yeah, how's it looking?
Get it done. Get it open.
You know, it's hot. I just got them out.
I like my brownies hot.
I like them big. I like them chunky. Okay, which one you want?
Let me cut it. Let me do my own honors.
What you want, the hardest part?
I think I went this side. I can't even cut it like that. Here, you do it. Just tiny piece, not that too big. No, over. Right here.
Wow, what a difference. Like this?
Yes.
I won't put you on camera because of how you looking. Do you want to be on camera?
No. Hi, YouTube. See my hand.
Burn myself. Here, you want the crumblets. It's okay.
Everyone listen to my voice and hear my reaction.
Yeah, listen. Do tell me, because, honey, them ingredients was real sketchy.
This is very delicious.
Stop capping, bro. How it tastes for real? It's hot. I want to wait for mine to cool before I can do a good reaction.
Yeah.
It's good?
Yeah.
Oh, I'm proud. Because, honey, when it said 3 tablespoons of water, and when I say I was using, like, a little one like this, and it was just not a lot of water. If you look at my videos, you will see how much water it was. And it just didn't seem like it was going to turn out right at all.
Yeah, this is really good, though.
I'm glad to hear that, because I'm about to eat, like, 3 pieces. Because, like, I've been real tempted to cook me some fried Oreos. That's why I just got up and cooked the brownies. And then I remember I had to record something, because it's been a good minute.
I knew it smelled like brownies when I was sitting there. I was like, it smells like brownies in here.
I be thinking you be hearing me, but you don't, I guess.
I didn't.
I'm so tempted to eat this right here.
That's done. I love corn in pieces. Oh my goodness.
Me too. I feel like I kind of want this because it look kind of burnt a little bit.
This is a good brownie.
Girl, you boosted my head up for sure because I was not expecting it to be that high.
It's good. Yeah. I want some more, but
You don't want to brush your teeth?
Not brushing your nails.
I said that because she has braces and every time she eats something, she gotta brush her teeth afterwards. But alright, I'll see y'all guys. Y'all, I do not know how to talk. Anyways, I'll see y'all when it cools down. Alright, y'all, so she had came back for another piece. That's why, well, can you see? It's like a bigger piece missing. Anyway, look, This smells too good. I'm about to try it. And I want this corner piece right here. Paper plates, because we live by these things. I mean, we have like regular plates and stuff, but we about to wash the dishes. We try to avoid that at all costs. It's like, it keep on falling apart. Why are you doing that? But I don't even care. Come here. I'm gonna just go ahead and cut this second piece because I just know I'm about to eat it. Well, I'm gonna show y'all this one looks like, and yes, it's crunchy. All right, I'm gonna lean back a little bit for y'all can see my face. Sorry, I be like doing little 3-second prayers because you just gotta pray over everything nowadays, or just in general. What I'm talking about. Hot. But yeah, it's good. I didn't expect it to turn out like this at all. Well, y'all saw how I was acting towards those ingredients. It did not seem like it was gonna turn out good. But yeah, it was good. Come get y'all pizza. You won't regret it. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. Do subscribe if you like, or if you want to. I just feel like if y'all want to subscribe, y'all would. So I don't really try to say it after every video. But yeah, see you guys in the next one.